Alright YouTube, well today is Thursday and there you go. The way to start a video. But I don't really have much of an update today. It's just kind of rainy, cloudy, crappy, shitty day. Ain't too bad out. I'm in a hoodie finally. So it is hoodie weather. Hoodie weather. And I figured since I don't really have much of an update, I figured I'd do some cold starts on the tractors here. So we'll start off here with the old reliable 216. There's a cat. It's cold. Alright, so I'll set you guys down here on the seat of the tractor. Now let's give her a cold start. Pull that back. Now let's see what she does. Ooh. There's 216, and we'll do the GT18 now. Got to touch the mufflers. Yep, this is officially a cold start. So let's give her a quick fire up here, and we'll see what she does. There we go. Until GT18. We'll do the SS16 now. Not really sure how this one's going to start with just the fact that she's just been needs points and condensers. So we'll see what happens here. She's in neutral. How's that for a low idle, huh? I don't think she's gonna die either. I think she'll just stay in idle like that for as long as she needs to. Not too bad. And we'll do the Suburban 10 next. This old girl, she's this one here is my go-to tractor. I love this old girl. Definitely I'm definitely glad I got this old girl. So we'll see. We'll do some choke. We'll give her a little throttle, and we'll go ahead and sit you down here and see what she does. Neutral, and give her away. Hell yeah! Uh-oh. I think my ignition switch is starting to go. That was weird. That was weird. Ain't I never seen him do that before, but at worst comes to worst, I'll just have to run a kill switch. So, a little strange, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really starting to rain now. Oh yeah. We're not really experiencing much change in the leaves here. Still got green grass, too. I actually mowed the other day with the old GT18 there. I'm gonna need a new deck drive belt though soon because it was starting to slip when I started getting in the tall grass. So, but that's okay. It's alright, I don't mind. And this one here needs the points of condenser, obviously. 216, I don't think that's going to need anything. And Suburban 10, that's not going to need anything. As far as I know. Maybe an ignition switch from what it just did. I still love that old girl though. She's such a good running machine. I am gonna I take that back. I'm gonna have to redo adjust this hub again because she slid in on me a little bit. But that's okay. Let's just simply take the tire off and move it back out and do these things here. Hopefully soon I plan to be getting the plow mounted on here and getting the getting some tire chains, and I got some weights here for it. So. Haven't really done much with that. Actually, I take that back. We just did the fuel filter in this thing, and I think we figured out why it loses its prime overnight. Actually, you know what? Let me get this stuff off the hood here, and I'll show you what's going on here. And I also broke my keychain too when I was coming in here today, actually. So, a little side note for you. So let's crap off the truck here and show you guys what we got going on. So, well, let me go a flashlight here so you guys can see. So someone added a fuel filter right here, and we pulled the factory fuel filter off, and it had pressure in it, so that was good. And then we pulled the Baldwin that's right here off, and not only did it purge out any pressure that was built up in there, but the fuel level was actually about an inch below the top of the filter. So I think this is what our problem is, and this is going to be relocated to somewhere else. So that's what we have believed to be the issue of the hard starting. So I'm not sure whoever put that in there. There's nothing wrong. I don't particularly find extra filtration a bad idea. You just got to go about it. You just got to get a good way to go about doing this. So, but I think that's going to go ahead and conclude this video. I'm just rambling, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.